Nid gyda badminton y byddech chi'n cysylltu Gareth Bale fel arfer, ond gyda chant o bobl ifanc o Sir Benfro i Flaenau Gwent, bu cyn-gapten pêl-drod Cymru yn troi law at lawer o gampau gwahanol.
I've been down and out for a little while and just joining in with loads of different sports. I even tried skateboarding, so...
Any good?
No, I wasn't very good, but it was good to try. But again, if one kid comes out of this and really enjoys skateboarding and then goes to a skate park and meets friends and kind of creates that little social group, it's just amazing just to see a story like that. So yeah, it's massively important to give back.
Dyma'r drydedd y flwyddyn yn olynol i'r ŵyl hon yn cael ei chynnal. Cyfle i blant rhwng 11 a 19 mlwydd oed gael blas ar rai o'r campau. Cyfle o bosib yna fydden nhw wedi cael fel arall.
Ni wedi cael 10 sesiwn gwahanol, rai yn chwaraeon, ni wedi cael DJ workshop yn y cornel, so rhywbeth gwahanol i'r plant just cael go.
Roedd yr ŵyl yn boblogaidd iawn, a dos ryfedd o glywed profiadau'r rhai o'r plant.
Playing ping pong or table tennis with Gareth Bale.
Was he any good?
Yeah, he's really good. He was just cool and collected like he was in football. Me and my brother were playing table tennis and he was literally standing right behind us. It was so fun, bro.
Did he put you off?
Yes, I literally couldn't even hit the ball because I was looking at Gareth Bale. And my brother said, get your head in the game.
Y nod yw annog mwy o bobl ifanc i gymryd rhan mewn chwaraeon, a sêr fel Gareth Bale yn help mawr wrth ddenu mwy i'r campau.